Here's some green stuff, boys. Come look. Yeah, come look. There you go. Good boy. Come on, Zorro. There you go. Good boys. Careful, Sammy. He's stuck in the snow. You good, Zorro? They're so excited. Get it, boys. Get that good stuff. Maybe nice. Are you ready to go? Come on, my boys. Is it nice to get out finally, Sammy, huh? Yeah? It's a good day, isn't it? It's nice outside. Is that you? Come on, boys! Come on. Sammy, Zorro, come on!
Good boys. Good boys.
Good boys.
Good boys.
Good boys. Bye, boys. He's going for it.
Let's go. Good boy. Come on.
It's okay, Sammy.
Good boy, Zorro. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, you stay close. Come on.
Come on, let's go. There you go. Found some green stuff, did ya? Is it good? Did it break? I heard a snap.
Yep.
Ah. Well, I guess we get a new one of those then. How much did you say it was?
$25.
All right. Well, that snowstorm didn't last long. Still got some little icebergs going on though. So it's a lot warmer than it was the other day. And now we've got to take all that deep bedding back out of the chicken coop because they keep laying eggs in it and then pooping on them instead of laying them over there where they're supposed to. Should we get you a little tractor too, little chicken? You want to hang out here? We'll get you a little safe zone. There we go. Now we got everybody outside. How's that, my girl? Keep you nice and safe. You good, Clover? I'll get you a water bottle. So we keep everybody caged up when they free range because we have a lot of aerial predators all the time. Eagles, hawks, crows, and osprey in the summer. And everybody thinks that chicken is delicious. And rabbit too. Hey dude. How's it going? They're taking turns being ladders. Oh, you broke it. Come on, Zorro. No, Sammy's going for it though. Get it, Sammy. Get it. Oh, you're so close. Oh, you can't reach it now. There you go. Is that what you wanted? My sweet boys. Oof. Oh, hi, Sammy. Oh, I'm not a ladder. There you go. Good boys. Now this is more like it. It's a lot warmer than it has been. The girls are loving it. Me too. What do you think, my boys? What do you think? You want some of that tree? That's what you're thinking, isn't it? It was huge beet. The goats pulled it out. It's enormous.